Next question, question number 9. Two towns A and B are connected by a regular bus service with a bus leaving in either direction every 3 minutes. A man cycling with a speed of 20 km per hour in the direction A to B noticed that a bus goes past him every 18 minutes in the direction of his motion and every 6 minutes in the opposite direction. What is the period T of the bus service and with what speed assumed constant do the buses ply on the road? And student, here given bus leaves either direction from town A to town B in every t minutes, and it is also given that speed of the each bus, that is what assumed to be constant, and here we have taken let the velocity of each bus be v vector kilometer per hour. And student, see the diagram of bus which is moving from town A to town B, and this is the diagram for each bus which is moving from train A to train B, and motion of train motion of bus from A to B is taken to be positive direction, and motion of bus from B to A is taken to be opposite direction. So here diagram of bus is shown from town A to town B, and it leaves at each t minute, and the velocity of each bus is what? Vt. So student, when the second bus, what the distance traveled with respect to the first bus? So here distance between the two consecutive bus, that is what? V into t, because velocity of the each bus, that is what? Same, and t time what the distance traveled by each bus. So distance traveled between two consecutive bus, that is what? Vt. Also there will be what? Vt, because each bus move with a constant velocity, and in time t minute they will travel a distance of Vt. So we can say that distance between or displacement, magnitude of displacement, that is what? Distance. So distance between two consecutive bus either moving from town A to town B or moving from town B to town A, which is what? Vt. And student, velocity of each bus be v kilometer per hour. And also it is given that a cyclist which is moving with a velocity Vc which is equal to 20 km per hour from from A to B direction, and cyclists are also notice that every 18 minute a bus passed him from A to B, and every 6 minutes he noticed that a bus passed him from opposite direction. So now I am going to explain the motion of bus from A to B. So first of all, displacement of bus in t minute means the direction of motion from town A to town B is taken to be what? Positive direction, and displacement of bus in time t, it means what? Bus is moving with a constant velocity, so no acceleration. So displacement of bus in time t, and we know that distance or displacement equal to velocity into time, and the velocity of bus, that is what? V, and we have taken time t minute, and it can be converted into what? Hour. So this will be displacement of bus in t minute, which is v vector t by 60 kilometer, and displacement of bus A to B, which is taken to be what? Positive, because direction of motion A to B taken to be positive. Now student, relative velocity of this bus with respect to cyclist, relative velocity of bus with respect to cyclist in the direction of motion of cyclist. cyclist is also moving in the direction of motion of the bus from A to B. So it can be written as student, that is what? Relative velocity of bus, that is what? Bus velocity V, and velocity of cyclist, that is what? Vc, and it can be written as student V minus velocity of cyclist, that is what? 20 kilometer per hour, and this is the relative velocity of bus with respect to cyclist in the direction of motion of cyclist, which is vector V minus 20 kilometer per hour. Now displacement of bus relative to cyclist in every 18 minutes. So displacement of bus relative to cyclist, so we have used here relative velocity of bus with respect to cyclist in the direction of some motion of the cyclist. So again, displacement of bus relative to cyclist in every 18 minutes, and we know that displacement equal to what? Velocity into time, because there will be no acceleration. So there will be here velocity, that is what? V minus 20, and 18 minute converted into hours, that is what? 18 by what? 60. This will be the what? Kilometer, and this is equation number 2. And student, see the diagram carefully. Distance between two consecutive bus, that is what? Vt, and displacement of bus in time t, that is what? Vt by 60, and displacement of the bus relative to cyclist in the direction of the motion of the cyclist. It means what? When this bus crosses the cyclist in 18 minutes, and this bus also crosses the cyclist in 18 minutes, and distance between two consecutive bus, that is what? Remains same Vt. So distance traveled by the bus relative to cyclist and the distance traveled by the bus with respect to what? Ground will remain same. So displacement of bus in time t with respect to ground, which is what? Vt, and displacement of the bus relative to cyclist in the direction of the motion of cyclist, which is same, because distance between two successive bus, that is what? Remains same Vt, and this bus pass the cyclist in every 18 minutes, and this another bus also cross the cyclist in every 18 minutes, and distance between two consecutive bus, that is what? Remain constant. So we can say that displacement of the bus relative to cyclist, which remain same of the displacement of bus in time t. So in general we can say that displacement of the bus in time t with respect to ground is same, which is equal to displacement of the bus with respect to cyclist in every 18 minutes from motion A to B. So equation 1 and equation 2, that is what? Same. So from equation 1 and 2, both displacement, that is what? Same. So we can say that Vt by 60, which is written as V minus 20, 18 by what? 16, and this is equation number 3. In the same way, student, for motion B to A, for motion B to A, for motion B to A, relative velocity of bus with respect to cyclist in opposite direction motion of the cyclist. Bus is moving from B to A and cyclist is moving from A to B, and direction of motion from B to A, which is opposite to the, and which is taken to be what? Negative with respect to direction of motion from A to B. So direction of motion A to B is taken to be positive direction, and direction from B to A is taken to be what? Negative direction. So relative velocity of bus with respect to cyclist in opposite direction of motion of cyclist, and from right to left, velocity of the bus is taken to be what? Negative. So that is what? Vector V, and student, a cyclist velocity, that is what? Minus Vc. So this is the relative velocity of bus with respect to cyclist in opposite direction of motion of cyclist, and both are negative. So next, what is the displacement of bus? Displacement of bus is from B to A, which is also what? Negative. So displacement of bus relative to cyclist in every 6 minutes. So it can be written as, in every 6 minutes it is written as what? Displacement, that is what? Velocity means what? Relative velocity, and this will be taken to be what? Minus V, taken outside common, B plus Vc, and student, in every 6 minutes, 6 minutes converted into what? 6 by 60 hour, and putting the value of what? Vc, which is 20 kilometer per hour, 6 by 60, and this is equation 4. So here relative velocity of bus with respect to cyclist in opposite direction of motion of cyclist for motion B to A. So velocity of bus is taken to be negative, and relative velocity of bus with respect to cyclist, so both are what? Minus B vector minus Vc vector. And displacement of bus relative to cyclist in every 6 minutes. So displacement is what? Velocity into time. So velocity, that is what? Vector V plus Vc, and negative sign taken outside of common, taken outside from bracket, 6 by 60 hour, and which is equal to minus B plus 26 by 60. And student, already you know that at every 6 minutes, distance between two successive bus from B to A, that is what? Remains same. And when one bus crosses the cyclist in opposite direction in 6 minutes, next bus also crosses the cyclist in 6 minutes, and distance between two successive bus, that is what? Remains same. So displacement of bus relative to the cyclist, which is equal to the displacement of bus in time t minute with respect to what? Ground. So we can say that displacement of the bus moving from B to A in time t minute, which is vector Vt by 60, and this displacement from B to A is taken to be what? Negative, must be equal to the displacement of bus relative to cyclist in every 6 minutes. So from equation 1 and 2, but here displacement is taken to be what? B to A direction, so it is taken to be negative. So from equation 1 and 2, so from equation 1, and this displacement from equation 1 and 4, and this displacement from B to A, which is taken to be what? Negative, because direction of motion from B to A. So this will be what? Vt by 60, which is equal to minus V plus 26 by 60. Student, one thing should be remembered, that the displacement of bus from B to A in time t with respect to ground must be equal to the relative displacement of bus relative to cyclist in every 6 minutes, which is remains same. So equation 1 and equation 4, that is what? Same, but direction of displacement is negative. So here this displacement is taken to be negative. So cancel out, and student, and it comes out to Vt by 60, which is equal to V plus 20, which is 6 by 60, and this is equation number 5. And from equation 3 and equation 5, from equation 3 and from equation 5, and solving this, we get the value of velocity of bus. So that is what? From equation 3 and 5 from equation 3 and 5 Vt by 60, and you see that left hand side of both equation, that is what, same, so right hand side will also be what, same, so we can write that V minus 20, that is 18 by what, 60, which is equal to V plus 20, 6 by 60, and this will cancel out, 6 3 ja, so 3V minus 60, which is equal to V plus 20, so 2V equal to what, 80, so V comes out to be that what, 40 kilometer per hour. In terms of speed, it is written as 40 kilometer per hour. This is the constant speed of the bus moving from A to B or B to A, and putting the value of this in equation 5 from, to find the value of t from equation 5th, we put V, that is what, 40, we have to find t, that is what, 60, and which is, that is what, 40 plus 20, which is 6 by 60, and this will be cancel out, and 40 and 40t, which is 60 into 6, cancel out, t, that is what, 36 by what, 9, 36 by what, 4, that is what, 9, so t comes out to be that 9 minute. This is, t comes out to be that 9 minute. So every t minute means what, every 9 minute bus leaves from town A to town B and from town B to town A, and the speed of each bus moving from town A to town B or town B to town A, which is 40 kilometer per hour.